Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to draw Doraemon. Change the background color to gray. It helps you to see the white color and characters. Make 2 big circles, and then 2 small circles for the eyes. Continue with 1 circle for the nose. Another 2 big circles for the head. A straight down line in the middle. And then continue make the mouth. 6 line for the mustache. We are now finished with the head, let's continue to the lower body. Make the collar first to separate between upper and lower. 2 arc line in left and right for the body. 1 big circle for the belly part. And half for the Doraemon pouch. Continue to make the bell in the middle of collar. 1/2 circle to separated the left and right foot. Finish it with 2 circles for the hand. And finally we finish the rough sketch. Make the final check of your sketch. I thought the head needs to be bigger. Start to create the outline, use any brush you like. No brush is wrong, use your creativity to make it looks good. Fill in the base color. And finish it with the darker color, to make the character more realistic. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode of How to Draw.